Namaste Ji and welcome to Dhruv Guide, and this is my very first video on this channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to delete any flight data from DJI Mini 3 Pro. So first of all, we need to turn on the RC controller and the drone itself. So after turning on the drone and RC controller, we just need to go that profile option. After that, as here you can see, there is an option button called more, and just click on more, and then in the flight data center all the flight data will be visible. So to delete any flight data from here, you just need to do one simple thing, as like Tinder. We just need to left swipe. So just slightly left swipe, and then here you can see on the right hand side a red delete dustbin icon will appear, and to delete that particular file or flight data, we just need to click on that delete icon, and just here you can see that the data has been cleared. So that's it for today, and if you found this video informational, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. More such amazing videos, definitely. Just kidding, and see you in the next video. Yeah, if you subscribe. So till then, take care and bye bye for today.